I win a giveaway. The giveaway I won is from Leanna Dalton. I will put her YouTube link in my description. There's a beautiful card in there and it's a dragonfly. If you know Leanna Dalton, you know she loves dragonfly. Thank you very much, Leanna. I appreciate it very much. There is also a little dragonfly in here too. I already opened everything because I was so excited. I couldn't remember what I win. Also, there's some stickers. Lots of stickers. I'm going to use them to stick them on my little makeup shelves. Breathe. You can do it. Yes, you can. Get going. New year, new you. You can do it. I feel glorious. I do. I am glorious. And many, many more stickers, which I love. So I will be putting them there, and I love saying positive stuff all day long anyway, so seeing these will add to my positivity. I love to spread positivity. If you're new here, my name is V. And what I want is, it was in here, and I open it up. And these are jewelry. After I open it up, I remember it's like, that's right, it's a jewelry. It's called Clary Jewelry. Is that a C or a G? Clary Jewelry, I think is the name. And I win these bracelets. I win this bracelet, a little heart right here, a little circle, and silver is my choice of jewelry because silver makes me shine. So I am happy it is silver. Yeah. Yes. And I'm going to take my earrings off. I received these earrings for my Christmas gift from my husband. It also has a smaller one to this. So now I am going to open the earrings. Those are stud earrings. This is so cute. I am going to put them on. Oh my God, take a look at this. And they're cute. Yes, they are. Okay, the little trees. These look like little trees. So I'll put the little trees on. Bling, 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 bling. Those are pretty. Very pretty. So these are the earrings. Lovely. And there's an extra one right there. Next thing in there is this. It's a necklace. Ooh, okay. I had earrings like this a while back. Love this. And this is the necklace. Yeah. And you do this. And you have your necklace. I love this. I love this. You have to do it properly or else you will lose it. But this is the necklace. Can you see it? So that's what I won. But if you know Leanna, she always throws in a little extra something for you. Always. So I got a lot of samples which I'll be using. Those are skincare samples. And this is Shantikai. Ooh, I wanted to try Shantikai. And the Milk Hydro primer, so I'm going to try those. Oh my God, yes! And I got the Miracle Hydrating Serum. You glow, girl. It's like she knew I was on my last bottle of serum, my last day's bottle of serum. So now I have another one. Thank you, Leanna Dalton. And I got the highlighter, loose highlighting powder from Juvia's Place. I don't have the loose, so I'm excited for that. I got this. I got another one, oil. I got another one. I'm telling you, it's like she knows I am low on stuff, so here they are. It's like, here it is. The universe have a way of just doing things in the right order. Some days it doesn't feel like it, but it's always in the right order. And then this is a cream from Chantecaille. Ooh, I am in the high-end department and I am going to try them. And this one is a pure Fiji body butter, coconut. Yes, 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 yes. And this is also Chantecaille. I hope I'm saying it right. Chantecaille. This is a mask. So I have the whole set in these, so I get to try them. So this is what I won from Leanna Dalton. I have the earrings on. Earrings are on. I have the necklace. And I have the bracelet. These are the things I received from Leanna Dalton. Beautiful, beautiful. And these are the things I won. Thank you very much, Leanna Dalton. I appreciate it very, very much. I will put Leanna Dalton YouTube channel link in my description. Please go check her out. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there and live life, be bold and be glorious, and have a fantastic day. Bye.